Okay, so we've drawn around the outside of a dinner plate. This one's 11 inches. Make a circle. And then we are going to cut this circle out. Next step. Once you have the circle cut out, you want to fold it in 4. Once you've got it folded in 4 so that they're equal quarters, you're going to take your scissors and cut them like this. Do. And the last bit's here. Do. So you will have 4 equally sized pieces that look like, a healthy adult size piece of cheesecake. Yeah, let's just be real. All right. So now you should have 4 pieces right here. If you were a real person who did stuff, you would have ironed this crap and it wouldn't, but I'm me and I'm not. So on to the next. You want to take 2 of these, match them up like this. Once we've got it matched up, we're going to sew just along here with the sewing machine. I have like a 1/4 inch seam allowance or something. I don't know what that is in real talk. Don't run too close to the edge, that's all. Here's where I should note, I usually like to do 2 layers on the outside, and then I do a 1-layer liner. So I'm going to have actually all 4 of these pieces all pinned up together. So my machine sucks and I suck, so stuff like this little thing happens here. But yeah, otherwise, you just get a seam. Normal people get a normal seam. Ta-da! And then you're going to want to cut this off, obviously, and turn it inside out. So we've got this. We did the half moon sewing thing, got our pieces turned inside out, and we are just, it looks like a mask now, right? You can see that. We're going to want to hem up here, down here, down here, and down here. And then we're going to make these little thingy channels for the elastic. I put a filter pocket in this, and I'll show you how to do that if you want to, in, I don't know, part 3? Part 3. This one we're just going to do the hemming. I lied, it's going to actually be part of part 2. So, for the liner, you do a 1-layer version of the same thing, just 2 pieces instead of 4. You turn it inside out, and then you're going to nest it like inside, so this seam doesn't show, right? But first we got to make that pocket thing, this thing here. Something sort of looking like this. If your machine isn't a beast from hell, this shite won't be happening. But you know what? I don't care. It's on the inside, and this is not, I'm not doing this to be fashionable, dude. Now we're going to put this in and hem it all together. Woo-doo-woo. Okay, I've got them all nice and neatly nested. This is just the white practice one. We can dye them though, that'll be fun. Yep, I'm gonna sew this biatch up. Okay, so we have this cute little shabby but usable mask. And this is the outside. So this is the inside. We're gonna want to do the last little bloop bloops for the lips. They will end up looking like these bad boys. You feed the elastic through here, it gathers, and it'll help it fit the curve of your face better. Now we have a mask, and I'm gonna take some elastic. I just have, this is what I had around. Can't go shopping now, man. So and I'm going to feed it through. I put it on a bobby clip, a bobby pin, to help me get it through the channel. Then through, get enough. Make sure you've got more than enough for your ears, and tie it off with extra just in case, because sometimes, dude, you think it's going to be right and then you put it on your face and it don't fit and you are so hella sad. Okay, and then you do the other one, of course. Maybe not in these colors. And there it is. Mask. Made with a crappy machine by a poor seamstress with stuff that happened to be in the house. Easy peasy. No need to print anything out. No need to do crazy calculations. especially after you've done the first one. You can kind of figure out what needs to be done better on the second, third, fourth, etc. Also, look at my cute little stitch. That's for you, COVID.